Welcome. Please pause video to view written information. Use a rust penetrant on the bump stop bolts several times and let sit for a few days prior to installation. With hand tools only, uninstall bump stop by removing the bolt with appropriate socket and extension. Wipe off any debris from the mounting areas. The kit arrives pre-assembled. Loosen frame mount bolts and remove the top frame plate from each assembly. The assembly with the flat-sided lower guard plate is for the driver's side. Install top plate to the frame with the M10 1.5 by 35mm bolt and star washer provided. Press tab tightly against the inside of the frame and torque to approximately 20 foot-pounds. Remove the two brake line electrics as shown. Gently bend the tab to allow room for the axle mount. Place lines to the right of the tab in preparation for securement later. Raise the frame and install air spring assembly to the top plate with the 4 1/4 inch by 1 inch long carriage bolts with serrated nuts and torque to approximately 15 foot-pounds. Align and lower mount over the axle. On the driver's side, place the flat edge of the guard plate towards the brake lines. Insert 2 1.5-inch bolts through the upper axle cradle and attach lower cradle. Align and center assembly straight up and down. Torque the bolts equally to approximately 20 foot-pounds. Remove 2 of the 5/16 nuts from one side and push bolts out to allow room for a wrench. Torque lower air spring bolt to approximately 25 foot-pounds. Reinstall the bolts with nuts and torque all 4 to approximately 15 foot-pounds. Raise the truck until the tires are just off the ground. This will aid as a guide to secure brake and electrical lines properly with zip ties while maintaining proper slack. Place the rubber protector on the brake line closest to the air spring guard plate and secure with zip ties. Route airlines is shown through the frame and out the back side. Completely insert airline into the push-to-connect fitting of the air spring. Airlines are pre-cut about 7 feet and have a black protective cap installed to aid routing and keep line clean.